A pleasant day, everyone. I am Janjanel Elio Pardas, a member of Group 5, and I will be reporting about one of the important sedimentary rocks, which is the sandstone. Here is the outline of my report. As you can see, we'll talk about the definition first, then its composition, then the types of sandstone, then its texture, then the occurrence, and the usage and any engineering projects. Now, without further ado, let us proceed to its definition. Sandstones are mechanically formed sedimentary rocks of arenaceous group. For those who do not know, arenaceous means sandy. These are mostly composed of sand-grade particles that have been compacted and consolidated together in the form of beds and basins of sedimentation. The component grains of sandstones generally range in size between 1/16 and 2 millimeters. Silica, in the form of very resistant material quartz, is the dominant mineral constituent of most sandstones. Composition: quartz is the most common mineral component of sandstones. In fact, some varieties of sandstone are made up entirely of quartz. Aside from quartz, minerals like feldspars, micas, garnet, and magnetite may also be found in small proportions in many sandstones. In some sandstones, the component grains may be cemented together by a cementing material that may be siliceous, calcareous, argillaceous, or ferruginous in composition. In other sandstones, the component minerals may be welded together by natural pressures from overlying sediments. Here are the types of sandstone. We have the siliceous sandstones, calcareous sandstones, argillaceous sandstones, and lastly, the ferruginous sandstones. Texture: sandstones are, in general, medium to fine grained in texture. The component grains show a great variation in their size, shape, and arrangement in different varieties. Thus, when the texture is determined on the basis of the grade of the component grains, three types are recognized. We have here the coarse, medium, and fine grained. For coarse grained, the size or range is between 2 millimeters and 1/2 millimeter. For medium grained, the size or range is between 1/2 millimeter and 1/4 millimeter. Lastly, for fine grained, the size or range is between 1/4 millimeter and 1/16 millimeter. The individual grains may be round or angular in outline, loosely packed or densely packed, and in simple or interlocking arrangement. The shape and mutual arrangement of the component grains, or the texture, is greatly responsible for the engineering and other properties of sandstone. In fact, the properties of porosity and permeability of these rocks are the critical parameters that make them useful or useless in different situations. Occurrence: sandstone, a sedimentary rock, is formed when grains of sand are compacted and cemented together over thousands or millions of years. As what I have said earlier, the sand grains are often composed of the minerals quartz or feldspar that were worn off other rocks and ground into pebbles. Moreover, sandstone varies in color depending on the color of the sand grains it comprises or impurities it may contain. Outcrops and kansas range from tan to orange to purplish red. Formations or layers of sandstone often are porous and permeable, meaning they contain small pores, or holes that interconnect and allow fluids to flow through. Water and oil are produced by drilling into underground sandstone formations where they have accumulated. Usage in any engineering projects. Sandstones of hard, massive, and compact character are very useful natural resources. They are most commonly used as materials of construction for buildings, pavements, and roads. In fact, the photo that we are seeing right now is the Red Fort of India. This infrastructure is made up of red sandstones. It was built by Shah Jahan in the mid 17th century and remains a major tourist attraction. The fort was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. This report wouldn't be possible or complete without this list of references. Thank you for listening. This has been your reporter, John Janelle Ali Pardas, wishing you a wonderful day ahead.